Hi there, this is Rohan. Rohan loves asking why. He always wants to know why things are the way they are. Why is the sky blue? Why do dogs bark? Why is the moon round? Rohan is always full of wonder for the things around him. Even while reading stories, he wants to know what happened and why something happened in the story. It is easy to understand these things. They are called cause and effect. Cause happens first, and asking why did it happen helps us find it. An effect occurs due to the cause. Asking what happened helps us know the effect. Let's learn this with Rohan, who is now reading a story about Jyoti's adventures. Jyoti was getting ready to go to the playground. She wanted to play on the swings. Swings are her favorite. But just as she opened the door, it started raining heavily. Oh no! What will Jyoti do? Rohan wonders. Jyoti quickly wore her pretty raincoat and jumped in the puddles. She ran to the playground, but it was closed. I wonder what she will do next, Rohan thought. Maybe she will go home. Jyoti felt sad. She wanted to swing. Instead, she danced in the rain and watched a frog jumping around and followed it. Jyoti couldn't go to the playground, but she still had a lot of fun. In the story, two things happened. It rained and the playground was closed. Jyoti wore a raincoat because it rained. Raining becomes the cause. Jyoti wearing a raincoat is the effect. What happened? Jyoti wore a raincoat. Why did it happen? Because it rained. Let's see the other example to understand better. Jyoti then found the playground was closed. So she danced in the rain and followed the frog. If we ask what happened, the answer will be Jyoti danced in the rain and followed the frog. If we ask why it happened, the answer will be because the playground was closed. Looking for words like so, since, as a result of, and because also helps to find the effect in the story. Do you remember conjunctions? So and because are conjunctions. So is always used to show the result of something happening. Finding cause and effect makes us better readers and helps us make connections. We know why something happened and we know what happened as a result of it too. Always be curious like Rohan and keep asking why and what. See you.